Okay, this is a video tour of Baz house in Vietnam. This is for Noah, River, Ada, and Phineas. This is the front of the house. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me. Got a little patio area here. Nobody really sits out here because it's very, very hot. Uncle Tip has planted a bunch of trees in the front, mostly to protect from like the dust of the street because it's pretty busy out there, and shade the area a little bit. So he's got lots of plants here. And then they always have a ramp in the front of the house going up to the porch because they actually park their bikes inside the house because they get stolen, I guess. This furniture is usually in the living room area, but because they are sleeping in the living room, they pulled the furniture out here. So this is basically the front porch. Go around, that's the street. Lots of trucks and traffic all the time. There's a beauty shop across the street. And then Appa goes and gets coffee every day over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right over there. There's coffee. And right there is a beauty shop or whatever. And I don't know what they sell there. Fans or something. So, but, alright. So, walk over here. That place right there, a lot of farmers come in and they bring their produce, and then they, like a wholesaler or something, so the farmers come in, drop off their produce, and then they sell them to the markets and people to sell. So this is their driveway. Gate's usually always closed right there. This is the side of Baz house coming in here. There's one of the motorbikes. There's a hammock. It's quite comfortable to lay on when it's hot. More plants, of course. And the windows always have fans running, always. Very hot. There you go. There's a couple birds. They've got that one there. They've got a dog here that I don't think anybody pets, and he kind of growls at me, so I don't try to pet him. And he's got two more birds there. One there and one there. Oh, I was going to show you this. They always have bananas hanging. Of course, there's only one banana left, but we'll have to get more bananas. So this is just kind of the walk down behind the house. Lots of... There's Go Tip. Hello. That's probably for the dog cooling off. Oh, here we go. Clothes hanging. Everything to dry out in the sunshine. And back here, oh, that's one of the, there's a tree in the, they're called rose apples, and they fall and they hit the metal roof, and it sounds like crashing sounds all night long. It's kind of funny. That's where they keep their cans and dump the trash in. Some little bits of herbs and stuff here. This herb right here tastes like fish. then back here is where I got bit by red ants, and it really hurt. Really hurt. Oh, there is jackfruit. They're not ripe at all, but they're sweet when they are ripe. So, and then let's see here. I don't step on anything. Big plants back here. And back in here, I don't know if we can see them at all, but is where there's a couple chickens and a couple roosters back here. Can't really see them. And right here, this is a water tank, and the water is pumped up from a well up into there, and then it flows into the house for cooking and showering and all that kind of stuff. But Baz house property goes all the way back to that fence back there. So, and that's part right there is part of the old house before they had the cement house built long time ago. Okay, now I'm going to take you into the outside kitchen. So, into the outside kitchen. There we go. This is where most of everybody does like the cooking, washing the dishes. Lots and lots of dishes always. Ah, see, there was that. And this is the water spigot, comes on and off. And this is kind of like the drain. They take water and dump it into there, and it drains out through there. There's a broom, kind of sweep the floor with. Let's see. Sorry. There's always lots of pots and pans and lots of little chairs to sit on. And then Aunt Leal does most of the cooking. She's from North Carolina, but she does most of the cooking. Some stuff. Probably, ooh, I don't know what that is. Probably pig skin, which is actually kind of delicious. Some kind of soup. Not sure what's the storage area. There we go. And then here is one bathroom. Oh, of course the light's not on. There's a sink. And there's the toilet. And a spigot and everything. So that's the bathroom. There's another big blue water tank too, right there. Now there's the storage room. Storage for all kinds of stuff. Alright, now here is the shower. This is where you do your laundry in the tubs. Just do them there. People hang their clothes here when they're going to shower. There's the spigot. That's a hot water heater. So that gets turned on up there, and then it warms up the water for the shower here. And you just turn it on with this. Whoops, there we go. Water comes out. And then when you're doing your laundry, you do this one. You turn it on there. Like that. So everybody uses this shower here. You dry your feet when you come out. Alright. It's the inside kitchen. You see Appa, and there's Bella. That's Aunt Leo, and that's Uncle Dick, and that's Uncle Tip, and he is cooking something. This is the sink on the inside. All the dishes. And cook on the inside too. Then rice cooker, hot water.
Trong mình mua cái gọi thịt lợn mà. Mình gọi thịt lợn mà đâu
Không
phải
phải nghe đấy. Thì con nghe cái chữ đấy.
coi như là cái này là cái bóc.
This is the water you drink. You just squeeze it there.
Cái là bóc là mua.
There's a washing machine. You can wash your clothes in there. And the refrigerator. TV set. This is our bedroom. Of course, it's storage for everything right now. Clothes. That is Aunt Hien, or actually it's Hien and her husband. I can't remember his name, but that's their marriage wedding picture. And then there is sink. There's our bed where we sleep. Dad's Appa's electronics. Hang our towels. This is used for mosquito netting, but because we don't have an outside window, this goes into the kitchen. We don't need the netting on it because we're not getting bit by mosquitoes at night. That's the air conditioner right there. And there's a ceiling fan that we don't use actually. So, and this is the bathroom. And it's called a wet bathroom. And so you can actually bathe in here. That little thing squirts water out of, so you can bathe, and this whole floor goes to that drain back there. So that's the bathroom. Okay. All right. Turn this side out. Up here. This is just another bedroom. And then if we come up here into this room, this is where Ba sleeps. And there she is, sleeping in bed. There's Ba. So that's your great-grandmother. And she is asleep right now. Yep. She does not like to sleep on a mattress. And so this is just like a straw mat on top of wood. There's a window. And this is where Uncle Tip sleeps, so he can be close to Ba. He does most of the feeding Ba and taking care of her. Of course, fans going all the time. There's Jesus statue. This here is another bedroom, I think mostly for storage right now, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Oh wow, lots of storage. Lots of stuff in here. Maybe some leak. Maybe that's why nobody sleeps in here. Old TV set. Lots of clothes. kinds of stuff. All right. Oh, it's getting hot back here. Okay. So then, this is kind of the front living room, but because it is, because people are sleeping in here. Oh, here's the mosquito nets. So Ba and her sister, Aunt Leo, sleeps in here on the mat on the floor. Then this is the mosquito net, so they don't get bit by mosquitoes. That's their, I guess you call that their mantle or something like that, I guess. Windows up there. There you go. And then those are some like more chairs and kind of couches. And there's a hammock in here. And that is the front door to the house that they keep closed in the afternoon because it gets really hot. And right now I am sweating a lot. And they don't have any cushion on their furniture because it's just, I guess it's too hot for that. So, all right, so that concludes my video of a tour of Ba's house in Vietnam. Goodbye.